Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to restore delayed emails on an Android device. Okay, let's join the tutorial. Here to restore delayed email message, you can do these steps. First, please open the Gmail application on your device. And then here you can tap the third row at the top. Okay, and then here you can choose Trash option. And then here will be display all message we have deleted in the last 30 days. And then to recover it, you can long press the message you want to recover. And then please click the third point here. After that, you can select Move to, and then select Primary option. And then the delayed email message will be returned. Well, that's the tutorial on how to restore delayed email message on an Android device. Don't forget to subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.